Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the 2026 Bugatti motorhome. When you hear the name Bugatti, you think speed, luxury, and exclusivity. But now, imagine all of that packed into a motorhome. Yes, Bugatti has redefined what it means to travel in style and power with this groundbreaking release. The exterior of the 2026 Bugatti motorhome is a stunning fusion of elegance and aerodynamic brilliance. Crafted from lightweight carbon fiber and polished aluminum, it showcases Bugatti's iconic C-line curves and aggressive front fascia. The massive front grille bears the signature horseshoe design, while LED laser headlights offer a futuristic gaze. At over 30 feet long, its sculpted body rides low on custom 26-inch alloy wheels. Hidden retractable steps, flush-mounted solar panels, and panoramic side glass panels complete a look that's nothing short of automotive art on wheels. Inside, the cabin is a masterpiece of high-end minimalism and advanced tech. The interior features a blend of Alcantara, titanium, and hand-stitched leather, with a touch interface embedded seamlessly into the walls. There's a compact yet luxurious lounge area, a fold-out bed, a precision-crafted kitchenette with Miele appliances, and a futuristic wet bath with voice-activated functions. Everything is smart-controlled, and lighting automatically adjusts to your mood and schedule. Performance is where this motorhome stands alone. Powered by a hybrid W16 engine paired with dual electric motors, it produces over 1,200 horsepower. This beast can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, unheard of for a vehicle of its size. Built on a custom carbon fiber chassis with an active suspension system, it delivers a driving experience that feels more like a hypercar than an RV. Whether you're cruising highways or navigating alpine roads, the Bugatti motorhome handles it all with grace and power. Safety is just as cutting edge. It comes equipped with a 360-degree lidar-based detection system, adaptive cruise control, collision anticipation, auto emergency braking, and a semi-autonomous driving mode for long hauls. A state-of-the-art fire suppression system, armored undercarriage, and air purification technology ensure peace of mind no matter where you travel. What truly sets the 2026 Bugatti motorhome apart is its unmatched combination of luxury, power, and innovation. This isn't just a recreational vehicle, it's a mobile estate with the DNA of a supercar. Integrated drone deployment for aerial views, a retractable rooftop deck, and biometric security access take it into the realm of science fiction. The fact that it's also eco-conscious, thanks to its hybrid powertrain and solar support systems, makes it feel very much in tune with the future. As for the price, exclusivity comes at a cost. With a starting price of around $5 million, the 2026 Bugatti motorhome is aimed squarely at the ultra-elite. Production is strictly limited to just 39 units worldwide, ensuring that each one is a rare collector's masterpiece. In conclusion, the 2026 Bugatti motorhome is more than just a luxury RV, it's a statement of status, engineering, and forward-thinking design. It's for those who demand nothing but the absolute best, even when they're on the move. If you ever get a chance to see one in person, consider yourself lucky. And if you're one of the few who can own it, you're not just buying a vehicle, you're owning a legend.